Look at that bad boy, huh? Hey, that looks like a fire-breathing dragon, man. Everybody's waiting on you, Hayden. Look at that. 57 Chevy pickup truck. This is the fastest pickup truck and 57 Chevy pickup truck in the world, man. His grandfather was a drag racer and a champion, national champion, which is really cool. We're trying to get himself out. If Hayden can hear the crowd, give Hayden a big round of applause. Come on, man. Get loud and proud for him out there. See if he can hear you. Here he goes. And we're off. The fastest 57 Chevy pickup truck. Look at that bad boy. Woo! He has to have a parachute so that he can slow it. There he goes!